Are you trying to decide between Weaviate and Qdrant? You're not alone. Today, we'll break down these two powerful tools and help you figure out which one is right for you. Both Weaviate and Qdrant are designed for managing and searching data. They help you find information quickly and efficiently, especially when dealing with large data sets. But they do have their own unique features. Let's start with Weaviate. It's an open source vector search engine. Weaviate uses machine learning to provide relevant search results. It focuses on semantic search, which means it understands the meaning behind the words. This makes it great for applications that need deep insights from data. Now, let's look at Qdron. This tool is also a vector search engine, but it emphasizes performance and scalability. Qdron is built to handle high traffic and large amounts of data without slowing down. It's particularly useful for real-time applications where speed is crucial. When it comes to key differences, Weaviate shines in its semantic search capabilities. It's ideal for projects that require understanding context. On the other hand, Qdrant excels in speed and can manage more data at once, making it a better fit for high demand scenarios. In terms of features, Weaviate offers rich data types and a user friendly interface. Qdrant, however, provides advanced indexing options and robust APIs for developers. Pricing can vary, but generally, both tools offer flexible options. Weaviate has a free version, while Qdrant may have tiered plans based on usage. So, who should choose what? If you need deep semantic understanding, go for Weaviate. But if speed and scalability are your top priorities, Qdrant is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights.